Hey, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we will be making pesto sauce. Let's get started. Add in half the basil leaves. Add a pinch of kosher salt. Add the remainder of the basil leaves. Now we will remove the basil leaves and set them aside. Add 1 clove of garlic. Add 24 grams or 3 tablespoons of pine nuts. Now we will add the basil back in. Add a 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Slowly add in a 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. You can also add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. It really makes the flavor pop. Pour your pesto sauce in a glass container and cover, then refrigerate. The pesto sauce will last in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. The pesto sauce is best served with pasta, or with pasta and sliced grilled or roasted chicken. Thanks for watching. See you next time.